Now guys, if you have watched previous video and we have a numbering system online on YouTube, you'll see that we've created a new theme. A Plymouth theme. What is Plymouth? Plymouth is something that starts in the beginning, and it's also something that's ending your system, and then you'll see a nice logo, some flames, or something nice and graphical that basically announces here is the distro, or just here is a welcoming kind of thing, right? Doesn't matter what it is. And there are tons of it, tons, right? I've created one more, right? I wanted to be creative. We have our own logo. It's up here, the logo down and up the website and everywhere we want to have the logo, right? So I created the Plymouth logo as well. Control-Alt-E is launching the ArchLinux Tweak Tool that makes it possible to do so many things on anything Arch, right? That's the goal, but primarily we're gonna test it on Kiro, of course. Plymouth is a button, Plymouth is a package. You install the package, you see how it's called, you see what happens to your system. It's the default sudo pacman -s thing that's happening to you. And you have to wait for the make init cpo thing. The more kernels, the longer we have to wait, right? But choices. You decide what kernel to remove, and then this becomes faster, of course. 1 kernel, 2 kernels, 15 kernels. You'll have to wait. Done. There are all kinds of things. Without going into too much detail, the machine says we need to have this. In here, quiet splash, it's missing. Click, boom, fixed. Then we're gonna go for an install, oops, not that one. So there are many themes, right? We go to the AOR. If that's not available, it's just the default. So this is everything that's online. I've tested maybe 10% of it, and I've created 3 now. So Star Trek is mine. Kiro is another one, which I like. That brings me back to a computer system that I had in the past, but this is what we're looking for. Install theme. So first of all, we get the package. It's now on our machine, and if it's on our machine, installing a theme does not activate it. Go to select theme, and here we have already Kiro logo. Apply theme, and then finally I can show you what we've done in previous video that I basically told Claude, right? If you look at it, you'll see that there is an interaction, but it's more a manager saying to his assistant, I'd like to have a Plymouth theme, please. Thank you. Could you make it so, right? Like a Jean-Luc Picard in Star Trek, make it so. And that's basically all I did. Use the power of AI. And here it comes, right? Now this is VirtualBox, so this is like glitching, right? On my real metal machine. Of course, I've installed it on my real metal machine. It just glides to each other, and that's it. More, it's nothing more, nothing too fancy, but it's an intro saying, hey, you're in Kiro. All right, enjoy.